Today we're opening the Joah Influenster box. So, before we get started opening the box, I do want to show you that I have used Joah products before and I just actually ran out. This is the Joah Radiance and it is a primer, and this is also a primer. So, this is the Blur Activation Mineral Prime infused with camellia oil? Camellia. So, I'm kind of excited to try this because, like I said, I just ran out and I like Joah's products. So, let's get some scissors and open this thing up. So, let me open the box. Woo! Something fell out. Alright, so this is Korean Beauty for You from Influenster. Infused with Korean camellia oil, this lightweight, airy skin perfecting primer creates a veil-like effect on the skin, which blurs imperfections, leaving smooth, flawless skin. Foundation will glide on and set makeup for long-lasting wear. Let's unbox this. Here we have it in some protective bubble wrap, which I will be popping later. Alright, so here we have the mineral primer, and it is wrapped up even more. So here it is. The pump looks pretty much exactly the same as the one that I have. This looks to be like a white consistency. Let's see if I can capture it on my hand at all. Yeah, so it's like a white color. And I think that's all that I'm going to do on this video for now, because I want to actually use this under my makeup, and I'm not putting on more makeup until tomorrow because your girl is not rich enough to be putting on makeup for play. So I'll see you guys in the morning, but I will say for now that the product is very like smooth. It feels really nice on the skin, and I put it there. I don't know if you can tell any difference, but I put it there, and I'm really excited to try it tomorrow. So, cut to tomorrow. 1, 2, 3. So, I used the Joah Blur Primer today, and I think that my makeup looks pretty bomb, if I do say so myself. But we'll see how it goes today, and I'll check in with you guys later so you can see what my face looks like. Hi, so this is me at the end of my day. It's about 4:45, and I'm home, changed into a wrinkly t-shirt, and whatever's happened with my hair is happening, but I haven't really touched my face or my makeup like intentionally. There's always some of this happening at work, and I tend to pick parts of my skin, which I know is not good, but your girl doesn't, and I'm trying to be better. So right now it's time for my final thoughts. This is their Glow Activation Primer, and I really liked this one as well. But out of the two, I like the Blur a lot better. Not only does it like make your skin feel nice, because it does have the camellia oil, camellia oil. I hope I'm saying that right. It makes your skin feel nice, it preps your skin nicely for your foundation, and it helps to keep the makeup on your face. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I've tried so many like foundations, full coverage, all that kind of stuff, because I have like ruddy skin, which means red, if you don't know. And the red seems to like shine through like halfway through the day. I actually think that a combination of this Blur Activation and my Tarte foundation actually did a great job with my makeup today, and I would recommend it. One of the reasons why I recommend trying out Joah Beauty and this primer is because all of Joah Beauty stuff is super affordable, and they have sales like so often. Like, if you know how often Tarte has sales, Joah Beauty has sales just about as much, in my opinion. This primer is only $10.50, and I know you might be able to get something a little bit cheaper, but you get a ton of product. Like, a lot of the times when you go get a primer, and say, I'm not going to say a company, but say you get like a drugstore primer, a lot of them have very little in the actual container, and so you're spending like $3 maybe, but you're getting like this much. And I was able to use this other one from Joah Beauty for like a really long time. Like, it lasted me for a really long time, and I put makeup on my face every single day. I'm really looking forward to continuing the application of this Blur Activation Primer from Joah Beauty. I have been using it for a couple of days, and I just wanted to show you guys today how it looked on my skin and how it worked. And I have had nothing but good experiences with it, so I do recommend this, and that's not just me saying that. Like I showed you, I have used all of this already and pretty much all of this. I love their products because they're affordable and they're good quality, and I definitely think you should go and check them out at joabeauty.com. Not only do they have things for your face like primer and foundation, but they also have things for your lips, your eyes. They have brushes, they have gift sets. Make sure you go over and check them out. I'll put the web address here if you don't remember it. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this and watching my review and unboxing of this product. Thank you so much to Influenster and to Joa Beauty most of all for allowing me to be a part of this campaign where we're allowed to try these things and give them our honest thoughts and reviews. And I look forward to hopefully working with Joa Beauty again in the future, as well as all of the companies that partner with Influenster. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!